So we're in Cherokee County here on Loop 456, and we're doing an application process of crimson clover seed today. So they spend about $60,000 a year on wildflower seeds, clover seed to put out, and they distribute that out of the maintenance division out to us in the rural areas, and our job is to apply it to the roadways. So that's what we're doing today. We've already got clover and wildflowers established, so we just like to kind of highlight that again and keep the program active. We're making the application today to get this out. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so that'll be good for the seed, and hopefully this spring then we'll see the after effect of the seed coming up. It's important. The traveling public, of course, likes to see the colors in the spring. And it's just important to the wildlife and everything in general.